IAS, Indian Administrative Service, IPS, Indian Police Service, DIG, Deputy Inspector General of Police, MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, IG, Inspector General of Police, SSP, Senior Superintendent of Police, MSc, Master of Science, GKA, General Knowledge Art, CID, Criminal Investigation Department, CBI, General Bureau of Investigation, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation, BCom, Bachelor of Commerce, MCom, Master of Commerce, DSP, Deputy Superintendent of Police, STM, Sub-Divisional Magistrate, BA, Bachelor of Arts, MA, Master of Arts, BTech, Bachelor of Technology, BSc, Bachelor of Science.